now for better food. Coming up with an appetizer to bring to a holiday party. You know what? It's just downright overwhelming.
We're going to make it easy for you, but you can still make it super impressive. Jon and Leah Masella from the Eatery in Wallingford are showing us how to make the perfect stuffed bread. And there are many ways you can do this depending on what you want to stuff it with.
Okay.
Welcome, guys.
So first you just roll out the dough.
That's it. That's probably the hardest part. If you can get it rolled out and
you can get the dough in any supermarket?
Any supermarket. Just a traditional 1 pound pizza dough.
Pizza dough is okay. Oh, it doesn't have to be, I didn't know, like, does it have to be bread dough or what?
No,
Pizza
right.
dough is okay.
Pizza dough's our favorite to use,
yeah.
And we're doing a sweet potato, maple roasted sweet potato. So we roasted the sweet potatoes. We've got chipotle aioli on there to make it a little different, give it a little kick. Spinach, cheddar, mozzarella. And then we just put the maple roasted sweet potatoes, roast them on like 400 degrees on high. Maple syrup, local maple syrup on there, some salt, pepper, and oil.
You cut the potatoes, you bake them, and
slice them really thin.
Slice them really thin? Yeah. Oh, you slice the potato before you bake it?
Yeah, and then you're going to roast it.
Roast it?
Roast it on like 400 with some maple syrup, oil, salt, and pepper.
I like that you're asking questions.
No, it's good. And then you just put it all on the bread. And then
we're gonna
Jon
roll
does
it sort of like a
special technique.
Yeah, let's see how you do this.
I mean,
it's like swaddling.
Go slow. What are you doing there? How are you doing that?
Oh, yes. We have lots of practice with the baby swaddling now.
Okay, so that's what it looks like. It looks like you're swaddling. But what are you doing there?
Just trying to stretch it over. You want it nice and thin, so you're not getting big chunks of bread. So we're just really stretching it thin, sealing it up.
And this is the bottom of the bread. So once it gets rolled over, you do a little egg wash and some spices on there.
You want me to flip it?
You want to flip it on the side?
On the side or?
Totally upside down.
I believe in it. We're not going to eat this one, so.
You can do it.
Whatever happens, happens.
Perfect.
Nice.
Beautiful. Good job.
Okay.
And then the finished product looks like that.
Yeah, so we have a little egg wash and a little spice mix we do with some salt, pepper.
So what do you do?
Do a little egg wash there.
Do the egg wash?
Yeah,
absolutely. Do you have
You can just do it right there, but you could use a little brush if you want.
Yeah, usually brush it on.
Yeah, and then we hit it with a little bit of seasening.
Usually it's on the
Looking
pan
for the
by
egg
then.
brush.
The brush is actually behind us, unfortunately.
That's okay, don't worry about it.
It worked. They're professionals.
You're gonna heat it 420 and check it in 15 minutes and then flip it, heat it again. Finished product if you guys want to try a little bit here.
It's the Eatery.
You have a phone in there?
For you. Yeah.
Sorry, we can't help you today.
Sorry very much.
So you can really do. Let's show our viewers some of the other varieties.
Yeah.
That's really creative with the sweet potato. But there's all these different varieties you can do.
Yeah. So buffalo chicken bacon is a sandwich we have at the cafe that we turn into a bread. We've got broccoli. We've got our maple roasted sweet potato. This is just a basic meatball and pepperoni. But we've done we've done all different things. Yeah. We've done some grilled vegetables and hummus in a bread.
I apologize. How long do you bake for? About
10 to 15 minutes.
That's it.
Your home oven,
flip
you
it for another 10 to 15.
Flip it.
On what temperature is best?
High, nice and high.
Like
400, 450. Yeah,
Okay.
don't be afraid.
Depends on your oven. If it's a convection and can get the air going through
Should
it,
you use convection if you have that option?
We do.
Absolutely.
Yes.
And that's how it's going to get this nice brown. And then if you bring this, I guess, would you recommend bring it whole and then slice it when you get to your party? Wrap it in foil, stay a little bit warm, and then I don't know.
Either way, you can bring it and you can heat it there, but it's going to heat faster if you slice it, kind of lay it out on a nice tray, and then heat it like this. So that's the fastest way to heat it if you want to get it heated really quickly.
But you could do a couple different versions to set them out for your party, and they're heavy enough that sometimes you want to have like heavy appetizers that feel like a meal.
Quit holding the ingredients here.
You take
Give it a shot.
I'm taking this one, Kara.
Okay, give me the front
Whatever
one.
you want.
I'll
You
try
want buffalo chicken bacon?
I'll try oh, these are nice and warm.
I'm gonna have
Everyone
one
likes
too,
warm
'cause
things. Yeah.
My favorite's the sweet potato, like by a long shot. So.
Oh, is that good?
So
good, right? The egg wash, I think, is like extra good.
So the egg wash is the secret.
I like that the bread, I guess, is good for pizza dough. It's still kind of thin. You get a lot of the taste of the meats and everything.
Right.
So anyway, of course, you could probably order this at the Eatery as well in Wallingford. So that's on South Colony Road. You can go to wallingfordeatery.com. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you guys. Happy holidays.
Yeah.
Thanks.